Hi guys. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Spotify account. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser. And then go to Spotify.com. Then you want to press the sign up button in the top right hand corner of the page. Then there is an option to sign up with Facebook, if you have a Facebook account. But we're just going to do it the other way. Type your email and password. Then you can decide your nickname profile name, so what they will call you inside Spotify. Then you want to write your date of birth. Select your gender. And this is if you want to be opted in for marketing purposes. Now you need to prove that you're not a robot. And then press sign up. If you want to go to your account page, you can press the profile and select account. And it should take you to the account overview where it has all the options for your Spotify account. And you've created your Spotify account. Thanks for watching this video.